Did you know over 60% of music workers with a disability have had to compromise their health for work? That's a lot of people. And if you're someone who has had to hide your needs, then there are things that can help. My name is Rightkeysonly, the one-handed musician that's great at high fives and terrible at jazz hands. And today we're going to talk all about access riders. An access rider is a document made by you for you. It describes your needs, the adaptations you may require, and the best way to support you when working with other colleagues. It is specifically for creative industry workers, and you can share as much or as little information as you like before sending it to festivals, promoters, and organisations so on and so forth that you work with. One suggestion is to mind map all the activities that you might do within your role and how to adapt around them. But if you've never had support before, it can be difficult to understand what help is actually available. So I found it easier to start with the symptom and then the activity that might be impacted by it. Here's an example. As my left arm is partially paralysed, pulling a microphone out of a stand can be tricky at times. So a possible adaptation is using a headset on stage instead of a normal mic. When I first had my access rider rejected, I thought there was no way around it. That was until I remembered the Equality Act of 2010, which states that no individual must be treated differently due to their ability. So if your access rider is ignored, it might be helpful to remind the reader that what they are doing is called discrimination. Yeah, people tend to listen to the law. If this is all too much, organisations such as Disability Arts Cymru, Unlimited and the Musicians Union all have teams that can help you to manage your own access rider. Now it's time to stop adapting our needs to suit the industry and start adapting the industry to suit you.